Hi everyone and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. This month we're looking at box number 49 and this beautiful snowflake themed box has been designed by the lovely Christina Griffiths of Card Making Magic. Now you can already see the sort of style that we're going to be getting with this beautiful foiled box. Now Papercraft Society is a monthly box kit. You can subscribe to 3, 6 or 12 months and then later on after the subscriptions have gone out you can purchase boxes individually. The best price of course is always by subscribing up for the 3, 6 or 12 months. Plus there's lots of other benefits to being a subscriber also. So taking a look inside this box, now this one is going to be coming out to subscribers next month. So if you subscribe now from today, the 21st of August, up until the 20th of September, if you subscribe between those 2 dates, this will be the first box that you will receive. If you choose to subscribe to Papercraft Society after the 20th of September, you will get the next box in the list. So we're looking at, like I say, Card Making Magic. A little note from Christina in this box: create fun cards for everyone. And that takes me on, actually there is another video that I will send you off to watch after this one where Christina has taken this kit and she's created a lovely birthday card, so not necessarily thinking about Christmas at all. So there's always extra goodies in the bottom of the box which I'll go through in a moment, but let's look in the wallet. This is always my favourite part. So we've got the hook and loop fastening. Now it does say in here a little reminder to share your makes with us on social media. So that's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. But use the hashtag Papercraft Society, because this means that we're going to see your makes and then we can share them also. So we've got stamps, we've got dies and we've got pattern papers in here. Let's take a look at the stamps first, because very often the dies coordinate with the stamps, so it makes sense to look at these first. And if these are white, oh, it's not white on the back. Okay, so let's grab a piece of white cardstock so I can put this behind the stamps and you can see them a little more clearly. So we've got snowy rooftops here, we've got some beautiful village images with a church and a house. We've got the pine trees, we've got footprints in the snow as a lovely border stamp here. All these clear stamps are stunning, and I know from previous Papercraft Society boxes they're really good quality as well. I really like this silhouette of Santa, his sleigh and his reindeer going through the sky. And this rooftop here. Now I'm assuming with this rooftop you can create some other elements that we haven't seen yet, so I'm eager to see where this particular image fits in with the rest of the box kit. So you've got season's greetings and Merry Christmas there too. Then let's take a look at the dies as promised, because I do always think these coordinate the stamps, or very often, and it looks like they do. So we've actually got the die there. It looks like that will cut out your Merry Christmas sentiment. You've got another sentiment in die form there, that Santa's coming, it says there, and you've got all of these lovely icicles. Now they're definitely going to fit over the stamp of the rooftop there. You've got the footprints. So, oh wow, you could actually die cut those out into the edge of your card if you wished, and it would cut out little apertures, little footprint apertures up the edge. You've got the same with some snowflakes there, and then you've got the same with some lovely hearts that look like they're in a trail with some stitch detail. They're really fun borders there. You've also got a die that looks like it might cut out, oh yes, there's snowflake stamps there too, so they'll cut those out. Now in the middle here we've got some glitter card and some pattern papers. Now with Papercraft Society, any pattern papers, I can't seem to say patterned papers today, but any pattern papers that you have within the box, there's going to be a download link within your booklet, so you can download these at a later date, so you've always got them. You can then print them off at home. So we have got single-sided pattern papers. In fact, that's a really good weight. I'd say probably around about 190 GSM weight on that. So a beautiful pale blue snowfall. We've got the scene there. The white snowy scene is gorgeous. I love this, like a night sky, a winter night sky. Send me another scene there, a little bit darker. This one not quite as pale. And then we've got some gorgeous rose gold. It's non-shed glitter card, so it is a cardstock. and imagine it's going to die cut. It's smooth. It's really strange because it's so glittery, but it's actually smooth. And as you can see, absolutely no glitter particles coming away either. I really, really love that. That is a beautiful quality glitter card. So let's take a look now inside that tissue paper that's in the box. So we've got a white tissue paper. The tissue paper is always coordinated with the box as well, but it just means you can use it within your projects if you wish. So tissue paper is really good for stamping onto and then applying with the gesso. So we've got here a white embossing powder in the little Papercraft Society tub, and then we've got this, oh, that is a beautiful iridescent fine glitter as well in there. Absolutely stunning. Now if I open this, am I going to spread it everywhere? Most likely. Let's take a look. Hopefully you can see some of the sparkle on there. That is beautiful. So we've got those two little tubs there, and don't forget you can collect your tubs. So when we have other embossing powders and such, there was a gold one in the last box. You can keep them all together. So we've got some embellishments here. So let's take a look inside the envelope and see what we're looking at in here. Let's just get my nail under the envelope. I don't like to tear them open, but it's the only way. So let's see what we, oh, okay. So we've got a lot, whatever's in here, there is a lot of them. Okay, I think that's big enough for me to pour out into my hand. Oh, wow, look at these. They are like little flowers. They're like little domed, almost like sequins. They're all iridescent. They're like sequins, but they're flower shapes. It could be snowflake shaped. And they are stunning. So you could have them inverted or sort of domed either way up. And there's loads of them. They are beautiful. Now I've got to try and get these back in. I'm failing completely. So definitely find yourself a little pot for those, I think. But let's just pop these to the side. I'll clear those up in a moment. What else do we have? Oh, we have some lovely white satin ribbon as well. That's going to work really nicely with everything. We have coordinating cardstock too. So of course the coordinating cardstock is going to match those pattern papers and anything else that you've got within the kit. So let's see what colours we've got here. So we've got the lovely dark, it's between a royal blue and a navy blue. It's double-sided, but it is a white core. So of course you can be scoring this and it will hold its colour. But if you want to tear it or sand it back after embossing, then you'll reveal the white core. We've also got the pale blue, so like a powder baby blue there. And then we've got this beautiful soft grey that's almost a warm grey there. Really beautiful. So I think you'll find a lot of uses for those, whether it's with this kit or elsewhere. Now, probably for me, the most valuable part of the kit is always the booklet. There's always 16 pages, 16 projects jam-packed into a 32-page booklet. There's our lovely Christina, and holding her box, of course. And look at that. Okay, so here's one example of how you can use those stamps and dies. Absolutely beautiful. Now, if you don't like to see the project, I'm going to have a quick flick through the booklet now, so definitely just turn away for a moment. Just close your eyes while I flick through so we can see some of the step-by-step instructions that you're getting, projects that you could be making as soon as you receive your box home. So we've got a Christmas gift list. Is this, or Christmas to-do list? That's really lovely. A hanging item, so that's an off-the-page project for you. We've got shaker cards in there. Of course, those beautiful sequins are going to be perfect for shaker cards. We have got some stunning cards here by Glynis. Easel cards as well. All these different fun folds. There are some beautiful elements in there. And of course, there's always things like an interview with Christina and a chat with her too. So definitely worth grabbing this box. You've got all of your inspiration in the booklet. Now, as I said to you, we do have another video already for you to watch where Christina is using this box, but she's not making a Christmas card. She's actually making a birthday card, and you can check that out here. And of course, don't forget also to subscribe to the YouTube channel for CraftStash just here to keep up with every month's box reveal.